The QDR Circle and its regressions are a fantastic way, one of the best ways I've found for developing shoulder mobility, so rotator cuff mobility and stability kind of at the same time. So you've seen the QDR, so the QDR is this one where you're coming down, resting your hip on the elbow and then potentially coming back. The QDR Circle, you're going to attempt to go all the way around. Now, I don't expect that that's going to happen on your first attempt at this exercise. It does take a bit of time to develop the mobility through the spine and shoulders to do it. So again, you're coming down, resting the elbow or the hip on the elbow, and then for the circle, you're going to work your way back. Now, you might be able to get your foot back behind you like so. That's your first goal. But if you can, you're going to come around and do a full circle. So you'll need to walk your feet when you're in that upside down position. So going the other way, I bring my hip onto my elbow. I swoop around with the top leg, kick under with the other leg, match it, and then lift up, find the elbow with my hip, and swoop around to the other side. It's kind of fun. It's awkward and requires a bit of spine mobility, but if you're not there straight away, totally okay. Just work on hip, down to elbow, and kicking behind. And that might be just, oh, it's scary. Oh, it's scary. Whatever you can do, perfect.